Hey everyone! It's been a minute since we did a deep dive into skincare, but we need to have a heart-to-heart. Okay, you see this foundation? It is $58. But if your skin underneath is dry or textured, this is gonna look like a $5 hot mess. So no worries. Today I'm going to show you how to prep your canvas so that any foundation you wear looks like second skin. So as we all know, it starts at the base. So today I've been using SAPEIO PDRN plus Hyaluronic cleanser. And now notice how I'm massaging this upward circles. I'm never pulling it down. And I've been using this and I really like how it does cleanse my skin without stripping it. And I've noticed that my skin has been really dry lately, and this has been providing the essential moisture that my skin needs. So I've really been enjoying this cleanser. So once or twice a week, I like to use this AHAVA Purifying Mud Mask. It gives my skin a total reset because it literally pulls out all the toxins in your skin, and it actually leaves your skin really soothing afterwards. And this only takes about 2 minutes to dry on your face, and that's another reason why I love it. It's very fast and easy, quick to use. I know I look like a statue, but the glow afterwards, it's worth it. Now for the luxury. This is SPALIFE 24 karat gold serum. Watch this. Okay, so we all know that collagen is the key to having bouncy skin and maintaining its skin elasticity, right? But here's what I learned. I learned that if we apply this to our skin that's damp already, this is going to help the ingredients that the product has penetrate much deeper. I'm literally scraping the bottom of this tub. This is how you know this has been my ride or die lately. And so if you've been having dry skin or have dry patches, this one is a good one to try. Now don't forget the eyes. I'm going to be using the ordinary serum. And finally, this is the top coat. This locks everything in. This is definitely, I kid you not, my secret weapon, the aloe vera oil. This has revived my skin in so many ways. My skin stays dewy, it's not greasy, and it stays like that all day. I wear it with makeup, at night. It's great for the skin. You see this? No filter, just hydrated skin. So now when I put my foundation on, it's gonna glide right on and look like skin, not product. So just remember to always invest in your canvas first. And don't forget to check out my bendable list in the pinned comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.